Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I have an opportunity for you today. I had made my little Elfina. I had wanted to do a Lord of the Rings type of elf when the Elf collab that I do with Dory's Dollies, Playful Reborn, and Tina's Reborn and more each month. And so I made her for that. Liked her so much, I made Ryan. And I was planning, as you can see, to do another one. And it was kind of on the back burner. And I thought, we did that mermaid, a bunch of us did a mermaid collab. Well, we did a fairy collab, then we did a mermaid collab, then we did a ghost collab. And I thought, I'm going to ask if anyone would like to do elf, Lord of the Ring type elf. When Elise from Elise Explosion spoke up and said, would anyone like to do a Lord of the Ring type face-up custom on Black Dolls? I would. So she and I talked about it, and we're going to collab this together. We're offering it as a challenge for you to take, and you can take any doll you want. I'm using a Blythe doll. I had already, like I said, I had already pulled her apart to get her ready. Any doll you like. It is February 23rd at 10 a.m. Central. And that's Elise Explosion and I are going to do this. And of course, we'll be giving you updates and reminders. And you can dress your elf any way you want, but the theme is Lord of the Rings. However, we just want people to join in and have fun. If you just want to make an elf doll or a Christmas elf doll or a St. Patrick's, because I guess it would be February 23rd after Valentine's, anything you want to make in an elf, we're happy for you to join in. Elise, this is going to be fun. As you can see, I'm looking forward to it. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Please leave a like, a comment. Let us know if you'd be interested, and subscribe.